You're going to love the 2004 Toyota 4Runner. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Toyota infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as power trunk closing assist, one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trailer hitch, and cruise control. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Call now to schedule a test drive.